Hello guys, good afternoon, good day to all. This is a brand new house. It has a 2-car garage. It's 175 square meter with stainless grills already. It's ready for occupancy. This is our living room here with grills already with aircon. And it has a powder room in the first floor. In the kitchen here, there is a one master bedroom in the first floor with his own CR, comfort room. And down here, we have a dirty kitchen outside with screen already and grills. Then let's go upstairs. Here you are. Going to the second floor. It's already also. Okay. So we have 3 bedrooms in the second floor. This is the provision for the master's bedroom. It has aircon already. And another room here. And we have also another room here. There you are. And a bathroom here for the second floor. And we have a provision for a playroom here in the second floor. If you go outside, this is a veranda. We have a sunrise here. And the sunset here. And that's in front of Sabano, SM, Walter Mart. That's in front of the clubhouse. It's just a few minutes walk to the swimming pool, clubhouse, and just 5 minutes drive to the Coliseo San Agustin. So ready for viewing. Those who are interested, come and visit here. Thank you.